Suppose in your computer keyboard you can see 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9, and suppose if you want to create a key with the number 10, that is 10 in a keycap symbol in your computer, must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must turn on this num lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. At the same time you must type here 128287. After typing 128287 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created a keycap 10 symbol in our computer. So you can see that this symbol have been added. Of this video, I'll see for more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.